Welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, it's been so long. It's been a while, but I've had so much going on, but I'm so happy to be back. And I'm even more excited because I have over 10,000 subscribers. I can't believe it, guys, and I owe it all to you. Every single one of you. Thank you so much for subscribing and your continued support. So today I bring you this very glam pumpkin. So from the Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these pumpkin plaques, and we're going to spray paint both sides over the gold glitter also with our Krylon Brilliant Silver spray paint. And I already started applying my gemstones, as you can see here. So we're gonna take some Modge Podge and we're going to apply it to our pumpkin, and I got some silver glitter from Walmart and we're going to cover it with that. And at the end, when it dries, you want to cover it with a coat of Modge Podge so it can seal everything. So as you can see, we have glitterified the back of both of our pumpkins, and I've already started applying my bling wrap on the inside and the outside of both of our pumpkins. And I'm almost done applying the rest of my gemstones as well. As you can see, these pumpkins come with 2 pre-drilled holes. You want to keep them on both. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to drill 2 holes on either side of that center hole right there. So altogether we should have 5. So when you drill on your pumpkin, you want to get a hold of it just like you see here, just so that your pumpkin doesn't collapse, I guess. So again, you want to drill the holes on either side. Guys, be very careful when you do this. Make sure your hands are out of the way. I have some pink gems here, or garlands that I got from Joanne, but I also have the clear ones. You can use those if you like. I'll link those down below. I've used them on my previous videos. And I have already applied the rings to each of my holes, the spiral ones. I don't suggest that you use these. You can either use some nice string or you can use some regular rings that have 2 ends and they open, but I definitely don't recommend you using the spiral ones because I was having a hard time looping my garlands in. I was using this little tool to help me out, as you can see in the background there, but yeah, you don't want to use these, guys, not the spiral ones. This is the tool I'm talking about. It comes in handy. Anyway, eventually I did get them through, as you can see here. So ultimately what I want is for my pumpkins to stand up straight, just like that. So I'm using here these little dowels that are these little sticks or whatever, your skewers that you use for like these candy apples, but you can use any kind of dowel that you can get from Home Depot, any craft store. Even I've seen them at Walmart. You want to cut them to size, to the width that you want, and you're going to spray paint them in silver as well. And you want to put them through both of your pumpkins. This is the reason why you want to keep those holes open there. And so you want to loop it through. And so what I did is that I'm using the Fix All glue from the Dollar Tree, but you can also use the E6000, of course, or the Gorilla Glue, or any comparable very good bonding glue. And you want to apply it to the inside of the back of your first pumpkin, and you also want to apply it on the back of your second pumpkin. And you want to follow up with some hot glue, and you want to allow this to dry for 24 hours. And I'm just going to cover that the front of the hole there with the little bling. So as you can see, the bottom of our pumpkin, it's curved, and so it'll tilt to the side. And so I want it to stand up straight. I'm using this glass candle votive holder from the Dollar Tree, and that's what I'm going to be using in the center. I'm just kind of situating things, kind of feeling it out how I want it to stand. And so using these little wood pieces from the Dollar Tree Tower Game, I went ahead and spray painted it with our silver spray paint. And so what you want to do is that you want to glue the little wood on the very edge down the bottom there of our curve, our pumpkin, so it can sit flat on your table on whatever surface that your pumpkin is going to be sitting on. That makes sense, and you'll see what I mean. Guys, if you're liking this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out, and it lets me know that you're enjoying my content and you want more videos like this. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Always, guys, remember to hit your notification bell. Make sure it has those little 2 parentheses on the sides. This way it can notify you every time I upload a video, and not just some of them. So now that we did that and it's leveled out, you want to apply a little wood stick on the inside as well, where I'm showing you there. And there you have it. So this is the final result. I really love the way it turned out. I think it's so pretty, so glam and sparkly, and I can see this in a vanity, on top of in your living room, pretty much anywhere, guys. And if you take a closer look, you can see that I went ahead and I covered the dowel with some bling wrap just to give it a finished look. And once I applied the little wood pieces in the bottom, I had no problem with my pumpkins. They stood up standing straight, no problem. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you really like how it turned out. I hope you try it out for yourself, and if you do, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching again, guys, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye, guys.